Gardyn Indoor Hydroponic Garden Review, AI Meets Home Gardening. One of the new technologies I have seen emerge this year is indoor gardening, especially among families, city dwellers, and the eco-conscious. Gardyn is leading this trend by integrating AI-powered technology, sleek design, and hydroponics for sustainable indoor gardening. Gardyn offers two models, Gardyn Home for $899 and Gardyn Studio for $499. Both use hydroponics, maximizing space in a vertical tower. Each has LED lights, sensors, and a camera. An optional $39 per month membership includes 10 free Y-Cubes and AI support from Kelby. One of the most surprising things about Gardyn Studio was how easy it was to assemble. Though directions were clear, ideal pod placement for varied growth was unclear, necessitating adjustments. The design is sleek but bright. Grow lights mean placement should avoid disruption. What sets Gardyn apart is its AI assistant Kelby. With 24/7 monitoring, you receive alerts and personalized guidance. This feature simplifies maintenance from pruning to airflow adjustments. The remote camera view enhances both practicality and enjoyment for families. Gardyn offers over 100 plant varieties, starting with 20 options. Our studio thrived on lettuce, basil, herbs, and even a sunflower. Repositioning is essential for balanced growth, and pruning encourages replenishment. Though we didn't hit 5 pounds monthly, yields were tasty. I think one of the most exciting applications of Gardyn is in schools and classrooms. Gardyn Studio is compact enough to fit in a corner, yet powerful enough to provide weeks of hands-on STEM learning. For urban schools without outdoor space, Gardyn offers a way to bring gardening indoors. This can positively impact learning environments. One issue to be aware of is device compatibility. iOS 18 or higher is required for the Gardyn app on Apple devices. Check Android for requirements too. While the system works without a membership, many smart features require a $39 per month subscription, providing 10 free Y-Cubes monthly. Kelby's guidance proved invaluable, making the membership worth considering, especially for beginners.
Go to GearBrain for more information.